I'm here in Strausburg, France, and this is the Hotel Gutenberg. It's not too far, probably like 2-minute walk from the Strausburg Cathedral, and here's my room. So, as usual, you need to put a key in the slot in order for the lights to work. And then to the right here is the wardrobe. Plenty of space for me. Here's the safe. You can put a laptop in there. Extra pillows. And then we have, I believe, an espresso machine there. And then we do have an extra outlet. Bottle of water that comes with the room. And then, so that switch works the reading light here. And then on the left-hand side, they have a little bit of snacks in there and some wine. List of prices, I guess. And then I do have my stuff in the refrigerator as well, but there's stuff you can buy if you didn't bring anything. But I brought water and stuff, and grapes and prosciutto. The bed. And this room has a view out to the street here. And it is double paned. And you can see the cathedral right there. That goes down to Petite France, Little France, that way. This side there is a little table to put, you know, your phone, water, whatever on. And there is the light switch here, I believe. I think that's a light, oh, I don't know what that is. But over here is an outlet. Here we go. That's the light switches. So this one seems to control all those lights. Your air conditioning up there. There is a full-length mirror here, and then table and chairs that you can move around. There's the thermostat switch, and the bathroom's actually fairly good sized. There's your toilet. There is a towel warmer. Outlet for shaving. Regular outlet so you can dry your hair. Your sink. There's a hair dryer, robe, and slippers. Nice big mirror and a shelf to put stuff on. And it does come, they supply nooks. I'm not sure how you say it, but I do like their products. Some more amenities there. Tissues. Okay, problem, that mirror's broke. So that's something they would need to fix. Just turning it the other way doesn't solve the problem. And then another window that opens. Bath mat. Nice size shower here. and your towels. And that is it for room 203 at Hotel Gutenberg. I forgot to mention the TV is against the wall here. And it's a decent sized TV here. Now that should do it. Thanks for watching. Bye.